Remember when you started your business? You thought it was a great way to make some good money part-time or even full-time without a lot of stress. You wanted to have a business that you controlled. You wanted to call your own shots without a boss. And you wanted some freedom in your life. Now you sit and wonder, what the heck happened? Instead of running a dream business, you now lay awake on Thursday nights dreading Friday. You know you have to somehow throw it all together and be ready for yet another weekend. You wanted to run an entertainment and party business, but now the business is running you. You're doing everything you can to make things work, yet it always seems like you don't have enough money, customers, or insight into your business to really make it work the right way. It feels like you're working all the time without the real information you need to make the right decisions. You know you should be working on your business, but every week you get stuck working in your business. It doesn't have to be this way. With Event Rental Systems software, we help make your business fun again. Imagine waking up in the morning and seeing the orders that came in throughout the night. Many of our customers brag about how we helped them make money while they were sleeping. Imagine having a huge grin on your face because you are making more money than you ever have before. You have things organized and scheduled, and you are running your business stress-free with the help of our software. Imagine getting your time back, having some freedom in your business, and having profits in your pocket. Imagine having the party business that you intended to have when you first started. Our software has helped hundreds of party rental businesses achieve this goal, and we can help you too. In short, we provide the automation that will save you time, money, and frustration. Whether you're just starting out or you're pulling your hair out in your current business, our software will streamline your operations and help you begin to really enjoy your business again. We want to share the magic with you. Just fill out your info below and we'll show you the program behind the curtains that is erasing the problems that plague so many party rental businesses and allows them to reclaim their lives. If you're serious about your party business and about having it make you money on autopilot, you must watch our demo video. Just enter your information and we'll give you immediate access.